everyone, and okay, I actually just opened this package that I got a few days, well, just on time for my birthday, so I wasn't able to open it since it's kind of busy. So anyway, yeah, this one is a Jojo's Bizarre Adventure All-Star Battle, from the All-Star Battle set. It's the rival versus one. I don't know how to explain it, but anyway, I'm so excited with this. I've been looking for this item for a long time, and yeah, I'm really excited. So yeah, let me just open this one, and I'm excited. So I'm just being careful with the tapes. I don't want to mess up with this, or I don't want to ruin the package or the box, because box is life. Alright, so oh my god, almost done opening here. Thank you very much, Grace, for the hookup. So the part that I'm missing would be the Dio, because this will be Jotaro and with Star Platinum. So oh my god, here we go. God! Oh my god! Oh my god! Woo. Wow! So excited! Oh my god. Damn! Alright, so yep, as you can see, still intact, plastic still, they're all sealed. I don't want to open it, but yeah, maybe later on I will open this. I just don't know how to, I don't know. Maybe later. I'll be back later. I'm still figuring it out if I should open this or not. So, yari yari, that's it.